International system of numeration. In the international system of numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10 millions. 1 million is a thousand thousands. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. It comes after every three digits from the right. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks millions. Uh, for example, the number 50801592 is read in the international system as 50,801,592. In the Indian system, it is 5 crore 8 lakhs 1,592. How many lakhs makes a million? How many millions makes a crore? Take three large numbers, express them in the both Indian and international numeration system. Interesting fact, to express number larger than a million, a billion is used in the international system of numeration. 1 billion is equal to 1000 million. How much was the increase in population during 199 to 2001? Try to find out. Do you know what is the India's population today? Try to find this too. See here, ones, tens. This is the Indian system. This is the Indian system, and this is the international system. In Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakhs, then crore, then 10 crore. Here, ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, then 100,000, then million, then 10 million, then 100 million. So if you write 50801592 in the Indian in the international system, after every three digits you have to put the comma. So here it is the 50 million, then 801,592, and same thing it is here. First you have to put the comma after three digits, then after two digits you have to put the comma. So according to the Indian system, this is 5 crore 8 lakhs 1,592. It is written here. So here you can see in the table 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs, 10 million is equal to 1 crore, and 100 crore is equal to 1 billion is equal to 1000 million. So you have to memorize all. It is very important fact you have to remember. Next topic is do you know India's population increased by about 27 million during 1921 to 1931? 37 million during 1931 to 1941, 44 million during 1941 to 1951, 78 million during 1951 to 1961. Now try these, read these numbers, written them using placement boxes, and then write their expanded forms. There are four numbers, which is the smallest, which one is the greatest number. Arrange these numbers in the ascending and descending orders. Number two, read these numbers. Write these numbers using placement boxes and then using commas in Indian as well as the international system of numeration. Arrange these in the ascending and the descending order. And third, take three more groups of the large numbers and do the exercise given above. Next topic is 1.3 large numbers in practice.